This video will highlight all the key features you need to know about the GIGABYTE Gaming A16, so by the end, you'll have a clear idea if this laptop is the right fit for you. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below for the latest price. Starting off with the display, the A16 comes with a 16-inch WUXGA panel at a sharp 1920 by 1200 resolution. What stands out is the 165Hz refresh rate, giving you fluid gameplay and smooth visuals whether you're gaming or working on creative projects. It's an IPS screen, so you get wide viewing angles, and while the 300 nit brightness is decent for most indoor use, it might feel a little limiting in brightly lit environments. Still, for gaming and everyday productivity, the experience is immersive. Powering the laptop is Intel's Core i7-13620H processor, which brings 10 cores to the table and handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're streaming, recording, or running several demanding applications at once, the performance feels snappy and responsive. Paired with NVIDIA's new RTX 5070 laptop GPU, you're getting a strong balance of gaming performance and AI-driven enhancements like DLSS 4, which boosts frame rates while keeping visuals crisp. Creators also benefit from NVIDIA Studio support, making it suitable for editing, rendering, or other heavy workloads. The laptop doesn't hold back on memory and storage either. 32GB of DDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, and the 1TB PCIe Gen4 SSD gives you fast load times and plenty of room for games and media. Cooling is another highlight with GIGABYTE's WINDFORCE Infinity system. The dual fan setup, enhanced with 3D vortex airflow design, keeps the laptop cooler under load, and GIGABYTE AI even adjusts cooling dynamically to balance performance with noise levels. Despite its powerful internals, the A16 maintains a slim 19.45mm profile and comes with a 180-degree hinge for versatility. One of the surprising strengths here is battery life up to 14 hours depending on usage, which is impressive for a gaming laptop. Of course, under heavy gaming, you'll see much less, but for light tasks, it easily outperforms most rivals. Running on Windows 11 Home, the laptop also integrates GIGABYTE AI, which makes system controls more intuitive and personalized. Overall, the GIGABYTE Gaming A16 combines high refresh visuals, strong performance, and intelligent cooling in a slim package. It's not the brightest display out there, and battery claims will vary based on workload, but if you're looking for a powerful, well-rounded gaming laptop, this one checks a lot of boxes.